channel. So this video is gonna be super quick. It's about this package. I made a purchase from Versace. They still have a sale going on, so it's up to 50% of sales, and they have a lot of items. At least in the women's section, they have like for immediate purchase about like 160 something items that you can like buy right away, and actually they have a lot of good stuff. So unfortunately I got two items purchased from this sale right now, and only one came because the one I got an email saying that it was sold out, and it's supposed to be the item that was sold out was card holder, and it was like in Virtus with V sign and nice blue color, and it was like for $162, and it's cost about $350 like original price. Unfortunately I didn't get this item, so I only received this item, and this is socks. It's just super simple socks from Versace. So let's see. And this is also some tricky part in this. Okay, so they send you all this paper and so adorable box that opens like from 4 sides. It's very funny, I'd say, because it's the first box I see like this, and they have super cute. This box, it's just one box without any socks, looks super cute. And this is like a rubber. It's not like Louis Vuitton, then they put like bow around. This one's just like one simple rubber, and this is cool, like this. So okay, so the tricky part about this one, women's section in sale is always like sold out. A lot of stuff you can just get because there is no sizes, there is no items available, and more. So I got this one from men's section, and this is size small in men's section, and this is opens like this, like a flip one with magnetic box like this. Okay, so here's all this Versace paper. Okay, and let's see inside. Okay, this is them. This is the socks that I got. Okay, so this is not women's. This is from men's collection. As I said, because women's always sold out, and you will never like find any sale available if it's from women's department. Okay, so I got this one because this is white and like has on the side has the black sign saying Versace. It's just perfect for like any outfit, literally. Okay, let's see. This is actually gonna be super big. I mean, I expected that when I got them from men's section, but anyway, it's very long. I mean, I have size 5.5, 6 my foot, but it's gonna be a little bit bigger, but basically you not really see it inside. And this is how they look. So they're gonna be like a little bit longer than for example previous socks. In one of my previous videos, then I was unboxing some Black Friday sales. I got Versace black with blue sign socks from kids section, and they were like size 34, 37, and they actually perfect size for me, like the biggest kids socks. So this one is smallest, but from men's section. Okay, so this is plain literally plain white, and has like sign Versace on the side. Super easy. And regarding the price, it's $95 US original price for this one, and you get it for $43 with from like sale department. So super easy. And the same I can say about this one t-shirt. So this sale is going on for a month or something like this, and like right before Christmas I got this t-shirt from the same section, and this is also men's section. It's kind of long for me because it's in the size medium from men's department, because they don't have any women's available. It was all sold out, so I got what I just saw there, because original price is 570 something and I was able to get it for 175. It's just so incredibly cheap for this kind of t-shirt. So, and it has, as you can see, standard logo here, and it says Versace right up there. So it's actually just a little bit longer than any usual, but for like some biker shorts it's gonna be just perfect. So that's why I got this one, because I so much like all these Medusa ornaments from Versace and all this kind of style. Alright, thank you so much for watching this super quick unboxing video for these adorable white socks from Versace. I'll post more videos and see you shortly.